Their couch is undercooked.
Setting up that shit.
No,
I see.
I
God
need
damn it. Yeah, man.
Like 2 minutes.
Oh, you got that big. Damn!
Wait till I get off this boat. Consider a fish in your. Consider a. What are they called? No, like puffer fish in your.
Fuck. Oh yeah, I had him off.
Let me get him.
Just squat. See how big that's getting. See how big that's getting. Because you're in the squat position.
Okay, decent.
Let you just come down. You got it. You got it.
Why?
Throw it on Beth's
If
hair.
that touches me, like, put their burgers together before everything.
Are they white?
We're killing it.
Live fish.
Curb stop.
Throw it in, man. It's suffering.
It's suffering.
That's not so.
Yeah, it is. What do you mean?
It's suffering.
I'm not holding that shit.
Where is it?
Put it. Oh!
Shut up.
Hey,
Are you guys cooking it? No, we're
get it to pop in my hands.
Wait, can I throw it as far as I can into the water?
It's dead. That's a dick move, bro.
Dad.
I did.
Hey.
She's dead.
If you fucking hop. Oh,
Oh my God.
Last breath, she did.
Oh! Oh, he got one.
After the bitch.
What did they do with the fish? Dude, I watched the fruit cutty lady do this all with this. Let me try.
That's cool. You broke it. And here you go. Step it, ready? Oh! Did it.
Spectacular.
See brother over there? Michael. Spam. Spam. Water.
Yeah, water's
Alright, go. What the fuck? You're ready. Oh yeah! Oh my God, we're killing Mother Nature. You ready? You gotta go. Eat it. It's gonna break before you even can do it. That's Merc, man. That's Merc. Go. Curb stomp. Oh, the bad guys are here. Hey. Hand caught.
Guy's like, is this a cat? I'm like, what?
3, 2, 1. Closed his nose. He's coming back. Yeah, I know. Here you go.
If you want more, I mean, I have potatoes too, so.
Fishing, we're fishing in the dark. But it's like 10 o'clock. Still bright out. It's pretty nice. It's a nice day out here. Woo.
11% hit me with.
Zero. Ryan's by himself. Brendan!
Every packet
Last morning beer.